Now let us solve these type of problems. So when you have the square roots, so if you observe this question, root 3 x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. And one more question, this is not in general form, we'll convert into general form and it's solve. Let me show these sums now. First, before solving, we need to know one simple rule, that is root a into root a. Square root of a into square root of a is a, because this we can write square root of a whole square, right? Square and root cancel, so that is you get a only. So root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, remember that property. Now x square coefficient is root 3 and constant is 7 root 3. So if you multiply these both, so that is root 3 into 7 root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. Now 21 we need to make into two parts. That two parts, if you multiply 21, but if you add 10. So 21 if you take 3 table, because not in 2 table. So 3 sevens are 21 and 3 plus 7 is 10, right? It's simple. So 7 and 3. 7 into 3 is 21, 7 plus 3 is 21. 3 plus 7. Now according to that, if you write this step, root 3x square is as it is. In the place of 10x, that is 7x plus 3x we write. Plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0 as it is. Now from root 3x square plus 7x, so only x is the common. So here is root 3x plus 7. Now from 3x and 7 root 3. So here we can take 3, we can imagine root 3 into root 3. So 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. Just imagine. So 1 root 3 if I take common, see what will come more. So 3 is actually root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 if you take common, another root 3 is there, right? So we can write root 3x it is. You can check also, root 3 into root 3 is 3 and x plus 7, because root 3 is common, that is equal to 0. That's what this property you must know. Now it's problem is simple. Just take the root 3x plus 7 is equal to, okay, this is two terms, and one more is x plus root 3 is equal to 0 by using the zero product rule. So that is root 3x plus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Now from this both, root 3x is equals to minus 7, then x is equals to minus 7 by root 3, or here is x is equals to minus root 3 directly. X is minus root 3 and one more is x is minus 7 by root 3. So these are the both solution set. So therefore we can write the solution set. So solution set is, we'll get the two answers, because for every quadratic equation. So minus 7 by root 3 comma minus root 3. So you must write this last step compulsory in an examination point of view also, right? If it is clear, let me see another problem in this same part. So according to the quadratic equation, we need to convert into general form first. So before solving this, we need to write cross multiplication method. But if you do cross multiplication, that is x plus 2 into, okay, these both like this. First fraction numerator, second fraction denominator. That is 3x minus 7 is equal to as it is, and these both. That is x plus 3 to x minus 3. So and is equal to similar as it is. Left side and right side normal multiplication you do. So fact, like just take x and multiply this both in that way. So x into 3x. So 3x square and x into minus 7 is minus 7x. Again with 2 multiply these both terms. You already know this. 6x minus 14. And here also x into 2x is 2x square and x into minus 3 is minus 3x. Take first term and multiply both. Take second term, again multiply this both. So this is 6x minus 9. If you simplify more, 3x square minus x minus 14 is equals to 2x square plus 3x minus 9. Now take all the terms left side because we need to convert it to general form. So 3x square, that is minus 2x square, minus x plus 3x to this side, minus 3x, minus 14 already left side, this is a plus 9. So these three terms, when you take left side, change the sign, right? Now this is x square minus 4x and minus 5 is equal to 0. So finally we got x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is in general form, right? X square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now minus 5. So minus 5, because constant of coefficient of x square is 1. So minus 5 you make in two parts. That is 4, 1 is a 4, but it's the 5 we need. So we can take 5 into 1, but minus 5 we need. So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. So this is minus 5x plus x. Minus 5 into plus 1x, and minus 5 is equal to 0 as it is. If you continue, take x common, x minus 5 plus 1 common. Okay, there is no any common from last two terms. So take 1 as the common. Now x minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So according to the zero product rule, x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 5 or x is equals to minus 1. Okay, from this both. So here is the solution set. Therefore, so solution set for this problem is 5 comma minus 1 or minus 1 comma 5, right? So whenever the problem is not in general form, just convert into general form first, ax square plus bx plus c. Then you can go for the factorization concept. Okay, not only these, some more different problems, because when you're, if you know the sum, you can pause the video and you can solve and check it. Otherwise you can continue. Now let me explain different problems in this quadratic equation, how to solve.